Okay, so, I just ordered a new cube. Thanks to Speed Cube Shop for sending it out. And yeah. So, first impressions. It took 20. Hold on. Now, it took. What was that? 13 days. It took 13 days to deliver. Well, I live in Canada, but like, and Speed Cube Shop is from the States, so I guess it makes sense. Anyway, this has been like a horrible cube. Well, it's not horrible, but like, it's a Chinese ripoff. It's from Amazon. Before I figured out Speed Cube Shop. So yeah, I got a dumb Chinese from Amazon. So yeah, you see by the title, we're unboxing the YJ MGC Magnetic 3x3. So I've never had a magnetic cube. It's not magnetic. If we take this apart, I know, yeah, it has anti-pop technology. Let's see how well that works. Pops right out. Anyway, inside, not magnetic. It's like kind of crap. It's plastic. Yeah, let's get that away. Now, let's open this. Alright. Oh. So, thanks for your order. Speed Cube Shop. Yeah. Alright, MGC. Yeah. I've never had like an actual company cube before. Let's open. Oh, that's weird. Alright. Wow. Alright. Box. Comes with some springs, the magnets. Yeah. Stuff. Basically, it teaches you how to solve the cube in here. Yeah, whatever. Take this cube out. Oh my gosh. Oh. MGC. First impressions. You hear that? It's weird. Okay. Yeah, the magnets are already in there. I can see it. Oh my gosh, this is actually really nice. And I just screwed the cube up. 1 sec. Alright, so solving it. I just solved it, so feels pretty nice actually. Really nice. Better than this Chinese crap. Let me just take it apart here. Let's see. Blue center. That's kind of weird. Oh, these. Yeah, it's clips together. Can I take this off? Should be able to. Alright, I'm just gonna. Doesn't even show. Oh. Weird. Well, whatever. Cute. What are these magnets for even? Extras, I guess. More springs. If you can tell, I'm a noob to cubes like this and stuff. Oh. Whatever. Just put that back. Oh. No. So, feels pretty good. The magnets feel really nice. So, let's do solve. Alright, so I'm just mixing it up. Yeah, I use my phone as a timer. I'm trash. So, I'm going to walk you through how I solve it as well. I solve it differently than I taught you at the beginning. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to first get the cross. Alright. Cross. Looking for, I use F2L, so I'm looking for my first pairings. I am really trash, just so you know. I have an average of 55. Okay, I am fairly new to cubing. Oh, how crap is this solve? I solve it really weird. Ooh, 58. Yeah, so I got an average of 54. I don't think that was a cube's fault. I'm just trash, but like, it is really nice cube. Yeah, I'm gonna have to like look up the tutorials of how to use these because I really don't know. Anyway, yeah, moving from like this crap to like an actually nice cube with a nice box. Yeah, so this really noisy crap to this really nice crap. Well, I meant not nice crap, like nice cube. Alright, so for corner cutting, let's try like half a piece. It's like stuck. Move it back. You can hear the springs a bit. It cuts like 45 degrees, maybe more. Wrong way. This is reverse corner cutting. I'll try normal. Oh, that's really nice. That's really good. It's like way over, and it goes. Maybe a bit back. Cuts. Oh, this way. It works. It works. Not too far. Maybe 45 degrees. So yeah, it's a corner cutting. So yeah, MGC. Go check out the link in the description. Speedcube shop. Check out my other videos, how to solve Rubik's Cube and introduction. I've been Cube Kid. See you later. Bye.